Hey guys, Brad here with Days of Dirt. It is New Year's Eve. Hope everyone has a safe and happy New Year's tonight. I'm down here in the shop. I don't know how long I'll be down here. I'm not going to be down here too long. Not going to be able to get a whole lot done, but I'm going to try to get a little bit done. So I've got the air compressor building up air so that I can clean the rust and the mill scale off of these two pieces right here. These are just two scrap pieces. Of course, they're two different sizes. Just two scrap pieces I had laying around. I'm gonna add them as a brace right here so that I can take a runner across this, a runner across this way, and I'll have something to weld to there. It's not anything imported, it's just kind of something to give me something to weld to. Like I said the other night in the video, I'm wanting to make this flat like a table, so I need it kind of, you know, where you can kind of put a little bit of weight on it and nothing happen. So like I said, nothing major there. I would like to try to get that front section framed up today. I don't know if that'll happen or not. Just have to see how long it takes me, and see when I get the call to come home. So anyways, we're gonna see what we can do. I hope you guys have enjoyed this build of the spring smasher. I'm not sure how much material I may have left over, but it's possible that I may have enough material left over to build the frame of another machine. So if I do, I may build another one and see if, you know, sell it as like a kit to where you have to buy your steel plates, your load cell, and your jack, but you'll basically have the frame here. So anyways, I'll let you guys know that if that's the case, because I've had several people ask me about buying the old machine. Like I said in a previous video, that machine is spoken for. The only reason I haven't sold it just yet is because I'm kind of using it to go back and forth on the design of this one and things that I wanted to change and all. So we'll see what it is. We'll see how it goes whenever I get there. But for the time being, I'm gonna get in here and try to get this cleaned up and get these welded in and try to get this frame done. Alright, so I got that loaded up. As you can see, looks like dog doo-doo. I'm gonna have to grind that down. I'm gonna cut another 45 here. That's gonna be my front main hoop. And then I'm gonna have two straight runners going straight back. And that should finish up the frame. So I gotta cut another 45 here, weld it. And then I cut this piece off right back there, and that should be ready to go on. And then I should be able to start my runner. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut you guys off, let the camera take a break because the battery's dying. I'm gonna plug it up. once I get that done, I'll pick you guys back up. Hi guys, so I got that welded in. You can see right there, I done went ahead and ground my welds down. That way it made them look nice and pretty. You can't tell nothing about it. You done got it welded down there. Pretty much, move this out of the way. Frame now is pretty much done. I do got to weld something across the bottom to mount the inverter. I'll probably just go find some flat steel that I got laying around. Nothing, it ain't got to be nothing as heavy duty as what this main frame here is. Of course, adding that definitely added some weight to it. So we're going to I'm gonna paint this real quick. Just the top half where I'm pretty much done. I'm not gonna paint the very bottom. Because like I said, I still gotta add something to the bottom to mount the inverter. And I'm probably gonna put like a power strip in there. That way I can plug the inverter, the load cell, and I can't remember if that digital, that linear gauge has a DC input or not. But I'm hoping it does, but I think it's just battery powered. I can't remember. I'll just have to wait and see whenever it comes in next week and make that decision. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the top half, get it done. It's all pretty much finished up. Once that linear gauge gets here, I'm gonna mount it up here to the top, right beside the weight indicator. And then if it is DC powered, I'm gonna run the power cord down this side of the frame into the power supply, just like I did over there for the load cell. But yeah, we're coming along pretty good. Now the next thing I'm gonna try to figure out is I'm gonna get me some sheet metal, of course, and box all this in, make it look nice and neat, and hopefully be ready to use it shortly after we get back from the car show. Get ready to use it and get ready to get rid of that one. So hope you guys have enjoyed this. Not a whole lot videoed that got done, but it was a little bit of something. Like I said earlier, I hope you guys have a happy New Year, happy and safe New Year's. Everyone be safe, be responsible. So once I get this painted, I'm gonna head to the house and go find some lunch or some supper. I'm not sure what time. It looks like it's 1 o'clock, so lunchtime for now, and then figure out what we're gonna do for supper. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. We'll probably catch you guys in North Carolina. I'm sure we'll take these cameras with us up there, and that'll probably be the next time you see us, unless I come down here and just get a lot done. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe, comment. Head on over to Patreon. Check us out at Patreon, Days of Dirt with Bradbury Racing over there. BarryApparelCo.com. Thanks to everyone who helps us out. Vinson Race Engines, KT Heating and Air, Warp Speed Performance Parts, Barry Apparel Company, Brand Transmission, Penske Shocks. All you guys here on Days of Dirt. Outer Vision Roofing and Exterior. I think that's everybody. Thanks, guys.